Now in this video, I want to continue showing you what I was showing you before as far as how to access WordPress and just give you a quick overview, kind of a tour of the WordPress dashboard. Now, when you want to access your site, what you do is you just type in the web address that you chose. Okay, so mine, remember, was roundsandreps.com, and then you're going to add this little appendage to the back end, the WP-login. And when you do that, it'll bring you up to the login screen. So type in the username that you created and the password right here, and go ahead and log in. So anytime that you want to get to the dashboard, this is how you're going to do it. All right, very good. So we saw this before. This is the dashboard. I want to just show you some of the options really quick. I don't want to waste a whole lot of time doing this. But again, as a reminder, anything for the Avada, anything with the support, installing the demos, plugins, anything like that, it's all going to be accessed right here. Now, over here in the left-hand side, this is where we're going to find all of the options for WordPress. And also up here in the top right-hand corner, if anything with your personal information, the settings, password, anything like that, you'll find it up here in the top right. But over here on the left, let's just go through some of the basics here. So obviously, dashboard or home will bring you back here to this page. Okay. Now, post is going to be anything. If you have a blog, or if you're going to update any kind of articles or have any articles on your website, that's going to be what's called a post. Now, media, obviously, that's going to be any of the videos that you upload, any of the pictures, anything like that, or any kind of PDF files. It's all going to go to media. Now, pages, that refers to the pages on your website. So your home page, your blog page, your contact page, those will be pages. So those are different than posts, because remember, posts are going to be more associated with something like a blog. And then if anybody actually leaves comments on any of your posts, you'll find all the comments here, so you can regulate those. Your portfolio would be if you're for instance, an artist or a photographer or something like that, and you're going to upload a lot of different pictures. The portfolio would be where you do that, or that's an option. You don't have to, but you can set up a portfolio. It looks really, really great. Okay. Now I'm going to skip down here to appearance. Appearance, you're going to access this a lot throughout this whole tutorial, so just keep this one in mind. Themes, we looked at that earlier, and that's where you actually uploaded Avada. If you have any other theme that you want to use, this would be where you go. But down here, so there are a lot of options here, so I don't want to get ahead of myself, but any of the options for Avada would be here under theme options. And again, in the future, I'm going to show you where that all the options for that. But for right now, let's just leave it be. Now, plugins, we'll also cover that in the future. But plugins, there are a lot of different plugins that you can actually add to your WordPress website that's going to make it either faster, just run more smoothly. It's going to help you with your SEO. And again, I will show you a lot of those in the future. If you have different users, you can add those here. And also, as far as some of the settings, we'll access those right here. As far as, when you're writing, just some of the various options. What I recommend is you just going through some of these and looking them over, and it's pretty self-explanatory for the most part, but I just want you to be familiar with it. One of the things I want to do really quick that's going to help you in the future, since we're already here, just go down to permalinks, click on that really quick, and make sure that this right here, post name, is clicked. Anytime that you have any kind of post, it's going to show up as your website name and then the slash and then whatever the name of the article is. For SEO purposes, this is the best option to have, so make sure that you just click that, and this will save us time in the future so that you don't have any crazy looking URL, and then just hit Save Changes. Okay, and then of course, like I said, you can click right here, go back to your dashboard. And that about sums up that's just an overview of the dashboard. We're going to go through each one of these different options as we go along here, kind of show you how to do it, set up your pages, set up some posts with your blog, but that's about it for right now.